Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Siméon-de-Bonaventure Quebec is a charming little village in the Gaspé Peninsula. This peaceful town is surrounded by stunning natural beauty and has a rich history that's sure to make you fall in love with it. Saint-Siméon-de-Bonaventure is known for its close connection to the Bonaventure River, a popular spot for kayaking and canoeing. This crystal-clear river runs through the area, offering amazing views and opportunities for outdoor fun. If you're a fan of hiking or biking, you'll love the trails around here, like the scenic Saint-Simeon-de-Bonaventure. It's an easy hike with breathtaking views of the river and surrounding landscapes. This village is also part of the Chalet Bay area, where you can take in the stunning coastal scenery. Point Taylor, a local viewpoint, is a great spot to admire the bay's beauty. The area is perfect for exploring nature, whether you're walking along the beach, taking a boat tour, or simply soaking in the peaceful vibes. For history buffs, Saint-Siméon-de-Bonaventure offers a unique heritage experience. The La Ruelle Ibert-Germain site features a heritage trail with interpretation panels that tell the story of the local Arsenault Gallagher house and the families who live there. This trail is accessible and a wonderful way to learn about the area's cultural history. Whether you're here to enjoy outdoor adventures, soak up the history, or simply relax, Saint-Siméon-de-Bonaventure is a hidden gem waiting to be explored.
Thanks for watching!